You glide in the face of mountains, gently rending the air of the valleys. Quivering in us is an impertinence of weaving poetry, stories about you. You are not a fleeting visitor. Your perch on a blank tree, long enough for time to slow down. Moment after moment passes. The witnessing of the physical transcends, permeates the emotional realm, keenly aware of being ephemeral. We make no attempt to egress from before this awakened melancholy. Time is sometimes tree shadows crawling on my balcony, one tile to the next, weaving brocade of light and dark, bringing memories of you, you crested beauty. Your calls from your telephone line perches or from blank tree branches, the cheek of nature to paint galaxies on you. You pervade my thought. I remain obscure to you. Sounds so black and white, but here is just another evening of grey freedom, of revisiting oculic awakenings. Valleys lap up cloud shadows and echoes of your calls. We pant up a peak with searching eyes. You, snow partridge, between the soft crunch of snow and rock, you show up, far but familiar, familial even. You wake all the fractal selves from their slumber into fixed fascination, a faint thrum of a thrilling unison. Allow me the hyperboles. They will save us from ossifying into futile restraints. That's all for today. I'll come back with more poems on more Himalayan birds. Thank you for watching.